Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, once again, these are tips of Belch. I caught a rock. So, today we're going to try to see how loud I can do a belch. So, here he goes. That's as loud as I can go. Maybe I can go louder, but I'm not sure. Let's try again. Yeah.
So,
That's
Jakey.
all technique.
Do a baby burp.
That's my little baby burp, just to end it off with something cute.
A kitten's burp.
Say, Luke, I am your father in Belch.
Luke, I am your father. Plop.
Hey, do your pedophile voice in burp.
Hey, motherfucker! Hey, motherfucker! Is that good enough? What else should I do?
One more time.
Hey, motherfucker!
Oh,
Hey,
God.
motherfucker! Hey, mother...
He's yelling, yo, bitch. Then he's gonna...
Yo, bitch! So yeah, all technique. Only takes me 1 second to respawn from my little belch maneuver. Nikki, would you like to give it a try?
I always feel like this shit.
Well, that's what I'm here for, to teach you. All you do is just inhale and close your throat.
All right,
Wait, I have one, wait. It's coming out, wait. It went away.
All right, so Jakey, do the deepest belch you could do. Do the highest one.
It's how they could pixel.
Do the highest one. It's the highest. Try higher. Alright.
Do you lowering it?
Wait.
Do the deep one more time?
That was good.
My
Hey,
little
dude,
pig squeal belch.
dude, try to do a Daily Sinners one.
Deadly sinners! Deadly sinners!
I can't burp, but I could... I don't know.
So, I guess this is goodbye. This is the end of my video, so let me end it off with just one more thing. Goodbye!
What are you doing with your mouth closed?
Oh, yeah.
Do it with your mouth closed.
Say goodbye, Jakey.
Goodbye, YouTube viewers.